Packing for Thailand can be a daunting task, especially if you're not sure what to expect. With its hot and humid climate, diverse culture, and stunning natural beauty, it's important to pack the right clothes and gear to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable trip. In this video, we'll give you the ultimate Thailand packing list, covering everything from clothes and toiletries to electronics and important documents. We'll also share some tips on how to save space and avoid overpacking. So whether you're planning a beach vacation, a jungle trek, or a cultural tour, this video has you covered. Let's get packing. Number 1. Packing for Thailand, toiletries. When traveling to Thailand, it is advisable to pack certain toiletries from home, such as face wash, sunscreen, and tampons. These items can be more expensive or contain bleaching elements in Thailand. Additionally, tampons can be hard to find and expensive in local stores. The average cost of a bottle of sunscreen in Thailand ranges from $10 to $15. Thai people are very particular about their skincare, so you can find a wide range of high-quality skincare products in Thailand, often at lower prices than in other countries. A popular place to buy toiletries in Thailand is Watson's, a popular chain pharmacy where you can find a wide range of toiletries at reasonable prices. Number 2. Clothing shopping packing tips for Thailand. Avoid overpacking when traveling to Thailand, as you can buy most clothing items at reasonable prices in the country. Night markets are a great place to find bargains on basic clothing items. However, be aware that imported items may be more expensive due to high import taxes. The average cost of a basic t-shirt in Thailand ranges from $5 to $10. Thailand is a major producer of textiles, so you can find high-quality clothing at very affordable prices. Chatuchak Weekend Market is the largest market in Thailand and a great place to find bargains on clothes, accessories, and other items. Number 3. Currency and cash tips. It is advisable to get a debit or credit card with no ATM or foreign transaction fees before traveling to Thailand. This will save you money on bank fees. Avoid bringing large amounts of foreign currency to exchange, as the rates are not favorable. It is best to exchange your home currency for Thai baht in Thailand for better rates. The average ATM fee in Thailand ranges from $3 to $5. The Thai baht is one of the most stable currencies in Southeast Asia. Super Rich is a popular currency exchange bureau in Thailand with offices all over the country. Number 4. Medicine and health in Thailand. Thailand has excellent hospitals and pharmacies, so there is no need to bring a stockpile of medicines. Most medications, including birth control, are available without a prescription and are more affordable in Thailand. Anti-bug spray is also readily available and cheaper in Thailand, so skip packing it. If you need to bring any prescription medications, be sure to pack them in their original packaging, along with a copy of your prescription. The average cost of a pack of ibuprofen in Thailand ranges from $1 to $2. Thailand has a universal healthcare system that provides basic healthcare to all citizens and residents. Bumrungrad Hospital is one of the top private hospitals in Thailand and offers a wide range of medical services. Number 5. Minimalist packing, electronics and adapters. If you're from the USA or some European countries, you generally don't need an adapter for electronics in Thailand. However, it is important to be aware of voltage differences, and bring a converter if your devices require it. GoPro accessories and other electronics can be found at night markets, but don't expect major deals on name brand products. The average cost of a power bank in Thailand ranges from $10 to $20. Thailand uses the same type of electrical outlets as North America. MBK Center is a large shopping mall in Bangkok where you can find a wide range of electronic stores. Number 6. Important documents. Always carry your driver's license and an international driver's license if you plan to drive in Thailand. If you intend to work, you will also need a police clearance document in English. It is also a good idea to keep a copy of your passport with you as a substitute in situations where you can't leave your original passport, such as at hotels or scooter rental places. It is illegal to drive in Thailand without a valid driver's license. The Royal Thai Police have offices all over the country where you can apply for a police clearance document. Number 7. Apps and technology. Getting a local SIM card is a great way to save on international data charges. Popular Thai apps like Grab make transportation easy, allowing you to order taxis conveniently. Embrace technology to enhance your travel experience, but be cautious when buying electronics, as major bargains are rare. The average cost of a local SIM card in Thailand ranges from $5 to $10. Thailand has one of the fastest mobile internet speeds in the world. Grab is a ride-hailing app that is very popular in Thailand. Number 8. Positive attitude. When greeting Thai people, it is customary to bow with your hands together in front of your chest. The higher your hands are, the more respect you are showing. A slight is appropriate for greetings and farewells with friends and acquaintances. A deeper is appropriate for elders and people in positions of authority. Thanks for watching our video on packing for Thailand. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and videos.